most important thing, make it an experience for your client. Actually, make it a memorable experience for your client. When you make it a memorable experience, you will never be forgotten. You guys understand that? Okay? Because when you guys think of me, the first thing you're going to think of is about my daughter. Would you agree?
Yep.
Yes.
You know why? That's called free rent. You guys don't create enough free rent because you do not tell your story. Here's what I tell you and here's what I listen to. I would say the number one thing that all realtors struggle with is content. Okay? Would you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Content is super easy. Share your goals with people. Get on camera. I have people who get on camera. If you decide to sign with my coaching, I've got the greatest goal thing you ever see. Get on your camera. Get on your camera today. You guys want some more deals? How many people want more deals? Okay. This has been statistically proven to work. It's called vulnerability. Okay. You guys like to be vulnerable? Okay. That's because you have a big ego if you said no.